If you need to contact MSN email support, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way to reach support using the Outlook web portal so you can get help with login issues, account access problems, or emails that are not coming through. This is a quick step-by-step guide, and I'll make it as easy as possible to follow. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. First, open your inbox by logging into your email on the Outlook web portal. You can do this in your browser by signing in with the Microsoft account that is connected to your MSN email address. Once you're inside your inbox, make sure everything loads properly and you're on the main Outlook screen. Next, look at the top toolbar and click the Help tab. After that, click the Help button icon, which looks like a question mark on the far left. This opens the support panel on the right side of the screen. That panel is where Microsoft places help articles and contact options, so this is the correct place to start if you want to speak with support. Now, you'll see a search pane on the right. In that search box, type a specific issue related to your problem. For example, you can type MSN account access, cannot receive emails, password reset, or any other exact phrase that describes what you need help with. Then press enter. Being specific helps the system show the most relevant support options faster. After you search, Microsoft will usually show several automated help articles first. Take a moment to scroll past those and look carefully at the bottom of the pane. You want to find the section that asks, "Still need help?" When you see that, click Yes. This is the step that usually leads you closer to a real support option instead of just self-help articles. Once you click Yes, you should see the option to chat with a support agent in your web browser. Click that option and an agent will contact you through the browser chat window. This is the easiest way to request direct help for MSN email issues through the Outlook support system. When the chat opens, be ready to explain your issue clearly. Tell them exactly what is happening, when it started, and any error messages you may have seen. The clearer your explanation, the faster they can help. If you have already tried password resets, browser troubleshooting, or account recovery steps, mention that too, and that's it. That is how you contact MSN email support using the Outlook web portal. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech help guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.